I survived the overwhelming frustration of not seeing results after trying countless routines and workouts. But it wasn't until I spent time focusing on targeted belly fat burning exercises that everything changed. My daily routine, simple yet powerful. I built a morning and night regimen that targeted my core, and after sticking with it, I got the results I had been searching for. The journey wasn't easy. Mornings began with a mix of leg raises, planks, and Russian twists, all designed to hit those stubborn lower belly areas. At night, I added a round of bicycle crunches and mountain climbers. The first few weeks were tough, my body ached, and I was tempted to quit. But I saved myself from giving up by tracking my progress and celebrating small wins. Like the inch I lost around my waist in the first month, and guess what? You can do it too. Are you living a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. It wasn't just about physical changes, my mindset shifted. I felt stronger, more energetic, and more confident. I learned that consistency was key, and I kept my motivation alive by setting mini goals. The biggest tip I can give is to start slow, track your progress. And don't be afraid to adjust the exercises to fit your comfort level. Just stay committed, and the results will come. If you're facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now, link in description. One of the most helpful tools in my journey was a fitness tracker. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Through this journey, I built more than just a fit body, I built a new lifestyle. With the right exercises, mindset, and tools, you can transform your health too. Start today and let your morning and night routines lead you to success.